Founded in 1989 in the Basque Country, Spain, Betsaide is an iron casting producer which currently supplies to OEMs and Tier 1 companies for the car and truck automotive industry. Our customers are leading companies in strategic sectors such as automotive industry, heavy and light-duty vehicles, agricultural or hydraulics. Our main challenges are the digital transformation of the supply chain, bin picking or warehouse and logistic robotics and automation. These are the technologies we want to integrate to create value for the company in the short run. By participating in BIM 4.0, we seek to incorporate innovative technological solutions thanks to the agility and flexibility startups have. We are looking for talent, new technologies and innovative companies that allow us to improve productivity and business performance. We encourage startups to join the program and take advantage of the opportunity to gain a mutual benefit. Come with us, let's work together.